Hey guys, I'm making bubbles today. I already have a slime bubble made for the beginning, but it's sadly just popped. So you guys will just be watching me play with slime for the first bit. Please don't be jealous. Because jealousy is bad. So this never need you guys. So there. How's this? You guys can see the slime pretty well. I no longer simply expected. So now let's just get a nice slime base thing. Because I'm getting slime hands. How are you guys liking slime hands? Hello, I slime hand. Just telling you this is actually slime. Just moving around. Now it's coming off my hand. I don't like slime gloves. Now I'm doing it again just to make it look bigger. Okay, third fill. If you've ever heard of peachy beads, soon you'll be getting a peachy bead soon with you. I hope you guys like that slime brand, because I personally love it, and I think everyone should. You guys can see how I'm doing this. Ooh, that was a big one. Now we just have bubbles. Now it's ASMR time. And guys, that's the end of today's video. I just have one more nice trick to show you. You will be watching the slime slowly disappear. Guys, that's the end of today's video. Bye!